The classic characteristics of a value trap are obviously a stock that appears to be cheap but isn't really cheap. And the reason why it isn't cheap is because there are risks out there that you have not assessed properly. An example of that would be execution risk. A project or a product or a service that the company is trying to develop or market takes a lot longer to develop in the market, can't get the price that was expected, or just can't get any leverage. And often that goes to poor management, or simply the competition is just too tough and the company can't find its place.
So how do you avoid them?
Well, through trial and error, and it's extremely hard to avoid them, and they can be very seductive. And my career was littered with value traps, but hopefully the big wins, where you've bought something for 1 and it goes to 10 or 20, can offset a lot of those value traps. I decide to get out of a stock either when the stock has hit my assessment of intrinsic value or close to my assessment of intrinsic value, which is the discounted net present value of future cash flows, or when some factor has changed, such as management has done something silly, or management has changed, or a competitor emerges who starts causing trouble, or some other external factor which will change my assessment of the value of the company. But a sell discipline is extremely important in this business, and I pride myself on my ability to sell, and I'm often quickly get into things and then quickly get out of them again when I say, oh, this doesn't look so good. So a recent example was a company called Office Depot, which is an American office supplies company, which was trying to do a merger with another company. And I got into it, and I saw, I think we were in at $6, and the merger was going to happen at $10. And I looked at it and I said, actually, I don't like this at all. When I had a close look at the financial metrics and some of the deeper issues. And so I sold out, and now they're $3 something or something. So I escaped by this, the skin of my skin's teeth, my teeth skins.
Is that through research or through gut as well?
It's through research and continue to research, and also being willing to admit that you are wrong, and not minding having egg on your face and say, well, I'm supposed to be so clever, but I did make a mistake here, so I'm getting out, because I'd rather look like an idiot than lose money.